Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and if you've been watching and you've been thinking about subscribing to Mr. Belle Kitchen, yes you should. That's all you have to do is ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, I'll be making something different in this Power Exhale. A lot of things that's on that list. You know, Mr. Belle like to go down that list and take you step by step how you cook it in this Power XL. Today I'll be making some nachos in this Power XL, a very easy dish and everything. So I can't do it with this top on for all my first time viewers that don't know how to take this top off. So all you do is wiggle one time, take that top off, lift it up, and off it goes. Sit it to the side. So today, what I'm going to do, my ingredients today on these nachos, I'm going to use a little olive oil in here, and I'm going to just get this heated up, just a dab in there, just to get it started and everything, get it hot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set this on Sauté, set it on Sauté, and I'm going to hit the temperature to 375. Cook it at as a high heat right there, hit the temperature, and I'm gonna start this right here with 40. And I'm gonna press start. I'm gonna let that get heated up while I talk. Okay, my ingredients today, I'll be using a pound of ground beef, teaspoon of seasoning salt, teaspoon black pepper, teaspoon garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. I'll be using some tomatoes, some cilantro, and some green onions. You can put whatever you want on it, and some jalapeños. You can put whatever you want on your nachos, but today I'll be using some Sauté spicy salsa chips. And I'll be using some cheese right here, the Tostitos Cheese, Tostitos Cheese. And I'll be heating this up and getting ready to get it on the road. So first of all, I'm just gonna stir this grease up right here. Right here, just put that grease in like that before I put that meat in. It should be getting hot. And another thing I would like to say, as this is cooking, you know, Mr. Belle, all you first time watchers, don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for your kids, don't leave it for your friend. People might be afraid to eat because they're afraid they're gonna have to wash the dishes. And the reason why I'm saying that, because I have a lot of comments on thanking me from saying wash your dishes as you cook. So I'm gonna continue to say that so everybody get the message out there. So today I'm gonna be just putting this meat in right here and just put it in just like that, my pound of ground beef, and put it in there and let that just be cooking for a minute. And set that to the side. Okay, looks like it's cooking pretty good, so we just gonna break this up together just like this. Just break it up like that. Let that cook a little bit more. Just flip it over something like that, mash it up. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put my little seasoning in here. Like that. Put my black pepper, just pour my black pepper in all over. Like that. Take my little seasoning salt and pour it all over like that. My little garlic powder. Put it in like that, just season it up a little. Pour all that in there. Then I'm gonna just mix this up. Like that. Mix it up real good. Okay, this is almost done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stir this up just like this. And everything, stir it up. You know, Miss Belle like to take you step by step. You still see the little pink in it and everything. So that means I didn't stir it up. So now I'm taking stir it up again. Take this step by step. And also, when you're doing this, you can also make you some tacos or burritos, whatever you want to make with this meat right here. But today we're doing something entirely different. We're going to make these nachos. This is good for lunch. The kids is out of school. This is good to munch on. And we're going to have this for lunch. That's just about cooked. I'm going to let it sit for about 1 more minute. Break that up nice and good and small. Chop that up as it cooks. Okay, this is nice and small and everything. I chopped it up. We chopped it up together. Chop this up together and everything. Got nice and small. And like I say, it's only been, it's 22 minutes, so I only use 18 minutes of it. The rest of the time I'm going to use to melt my cheese. So I'm just going to take this out and bring it right over here and put it in this and let all that grease, unnecessary grease, just drain out in that pan right there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to, you get a towel, a paper towel, you just wipe all this out. And you're going to use this for your cheese. Just wipe it out like that. You don't have to do no extra cleaning. Wonder how you're going to clean this real quick to put the cheese in. So I just took all this out, and I'm going to sit it right back in the bottom. Sit it in here. And now, see that bottom is clean? It's ready to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my cheese, and I'm going to just put it right in just like that and get it nice and heated up. Take this out and put it in. And make this nice and good. Get it heated up. Get all this out there. Everyone loves this. That's good. Okay, so my cheese is nice and hot and everything, so I'm gonna just sit it to the side. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel, and I haven't used the whole 40 minutes. It's like I only used 20 minutes. And I'm gonna unplug this, and it's just gonna stay heated like that. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is get these nice good chips right here. Just put them in there. And like I say, these are right here so seasoned and taste so good. We eat these with a lot of things. They good just by themselves. So, and this is my first time doing it. Someone say, oh, you ought to make nachos with them. So I say, that's a pretty good idea. I'm gonna have some nachos with these chips. So every bite is gonna be nice, good, and seasoned. So I'm gonna just stir this up a little more and everything. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out because it's nice and good and hot already. So I'm gonna put that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put me a little meat over there like that and put it on this like that. Everybody loves the meat and everything. So I'm gonna just sprinkle that all over just like that. So every bite is gonna be good. Put it just like that. Put this to the side. Then I'm gonna just get my little cheese. This is kind of hot. So I'm gonna get my cheese and just spread it over like this. Spread it all over. Spread it nice and good. Like that. Just like that. Spread it You can use whatever kind you want to use, but I'm using this one. Sit that right in there like that. And then I'm going to get my green onions and sprinkle on them just like that. Little green onions. Put a lot, I love onions. Tomatoes, put my tomatoes on like that. Just like that, put them tomatoes on. And I'm put a little jalapeno on there. You put the jalapeno, looking good and everything, and a little cilantro. And you can have a little sour cream on top of it, but today I'm not using no sour cream. And put it just like. Now this looks so delicious, and that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box, and remember, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank everyone for watching, but before I end this, I'm going to take a taste of it. This is delicious. I just got to get me another bite. It is so good. Get another bite of it.